can see I'm going to fold it like this. So folding it like this, I want to cut the front panel first. So I'll be cutting shirt for boy. So after folding it this way, then I'm going to this length, the length is okay for me. I have the length to be, this is almost 24, so it's okay. And I have the width here to be 11, so it's okay. So right now I'm going to go over, I'm going to mark 1.5 inch downwards. So I mark it like this, okay? So I will also go to this edge, I mark 1.5 inches downwards. Can you see? So the next thing, I'm going to connect these lines together using my ruler. Now as you can see, I've marked the line. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to measure the width of the neckline. I will be using 2.5 inch. I mark it this way, okay? Then I'm going to measure the back, which is 17 inches. 17 inches divided by 2 gives me 8.5. So I'm going to mark 8.5 right here. So you could do the back first before the neck width. So I will just extend this line this way. So after this, already I've marked the width of the neckline. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make a curve of the neckline, just like this. Then I connect from this point to this point, okay, using my ruler. Going to do from this point now, I'm going to mark the length of the armhole. So I will be using 6.5 inches. So I mark it this way. So I connect. So I will go over to mark the bust. So the bust, I'll have the bust is 36 inches divided by 4. That gives me 9. This is 9 plus 1 inch for the seam allowance. So I'm going to connect this to this place, after which I create my curve at the armhole.